Hi, welcome to the brand new video lesson. In the previous video lesson, we have learned about working with the audio effect, how you can increase volume, reduce the noises, and also learn about the trimming. And trimming is one of the most important and difficult part of video editing or make any video interactive, because where you are going to decide which part you are going to include and which part you are going to exclude. So if you see my footage, you can see there are so many cuts in my footage, because editing is almost about deleting almost 70% of the video and keeping only the gist and the focus point of the video lesson. So previously it was around 14 minutes and something, and now you can see it is 8 minutes 41 seconds. So I have only kept that important part which is very necessary for my learners to learn, and other part I deleted it. So in this video lesson we are going to work with in making interactive or face cam video. So let's just select the face cam from here, timeline, or you can also select from here, and let's make it large. While I'm working on this, let me give you tips which can help you if you find some lagging in your video editing software. So what you can do, you can create proxy videos. How you can do that? Just clicking on the right button of the recording, you can see proxy video, and you will see the option create proxy video. And why I can't select this one currently at this moment, because you can see I have already created my proxy video for this recording, because while I was streaming I was facing some lagging, although I have a very good definition of computer. So you can see in Camtasia software, if you see the yellow circle, you can assume or believe that you have created your proxy video, which can help you to edit much better, but it might blur your video or deduct your resolution of your video. But it's not for the actual video, it's only for your working purpose. When you finally export it, you are going to find the actual furnish and HD videos. So in the first step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to crop my video. So here in the above option, you can see crop. So I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to keep adjust by clicking on the mouse option, just like this way. Let's select the selection option again, and let's make it little bit small, and let's travel the timeline and let's see ourselves. Okay, that is absolutely fine. So in the next phase, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select on the visual effect. In the visual effect option, you can see there are so many options. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a border around me. You can see the border option. So it's just simply add it, or if you make it more interactive, or like the Ali Abdal or other content creators do, like the round shape around your facecam video, if you want to apply that, you can also do that. For that, what you just need to do, here you can see corner rounding, it's built-in preset in Camtasia. What you need to do, you just need to select and drag it on the footage, and you can see the round option is right here. Also, you in the properties section, you can see the radius, you can control, then you can make it as per your preference. However, my plan for this video lesson is not about rounding, so I'm going to delete this one. So how can I do that? By selecting here in the show effects, I'm going to select corner rounding and click delete option. So that's it. So I was with the borders, and let's select the border and let's increase the thickness around 7. I think 7 is good. Yes, but you might can't see this because of the white background of mine. So let me just, if I drag it from here, from my main footage, you can see, now you can see the border around me. So 6 I think is good. So let me make it a little bit more smaller, my footage, and let's adjust our screen again by selecting. Let's put it right here. Okay, fine. So what else you can do with this? So I'm going to drop shadow. So let's select this one. So let's increase the offset a little bit more, so you can see the shadow right here at this moment. So based on your control, you can increase the effect or you can optimize the effects much more. So I think this is pretty much for me, so I'm not going to do anything more with this. Again, what we can do so many things. We can do motion blur, we can do reflection, we can remove color. However, if I want to remove color, I need more lighting in on my face cam. Let me zoom it a little bit more for you in my face cam, and more lighting on my background to selecting the appropriate color. If you have green skin on your background, then you can apply the remove color, and you will see in the properties section there is an select bar. They're gonna help you to select the color, and by adjusting the tolerance, softness, hue, difference, you might can find your perfect things for your video lesson. However, I'm not interested for my video lesson because I don't have a plain green background and I don't have a proper lighting as well. So I'm going to delete this properties, delete this effect. So remove a color, select this one, let's delete again from the keyboard. But Camtasia 2023 has more advanced features. So what you can do, you can just apply background removal. So by dragging and dropping it on the footage, it might take a few moments. You can see now it's pretty much clear. So Camtasia background removal works absolutely fine. So you may apply that one. I would recommend that. Definitely it works absolutely fine. However, my plan is also not that one, but I just wanted to show you so that if you find a purpose to apply, then you are welcome to apply. So let's select the background removal and delete it from right here. So my plan is to just to keep it like this way. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a progress bar around my facecam footage. So during this whole video, for example, this video is 8 minutes longer, or if it is less than 8 minutes, or maybe if I split somewhere, I want my audience to watch me with the progress bar. For example, if I talked for 2 minutes, then the progress bar will stop after 2 minutes, so that it will be running. It might have seen in YouTube or somewhere else. I will show you the demo so you can see the demo. So let's how we can create the progress bar. Then to create a progress bar, what you need to do, let's go to the annotation, let's select shapes, select all shapes. Now let's apply shape in our footage. Right, good, quite good. So then what I'm going to do, here you can see the shape, let's make it much longer. And if you select on the shape and go to the properties option, you can see the opacity for the shape. So let's decrease to the 0, and you will also find the thickness. So let's make it 7 is good. The opacity will be 100%, but we are going to change the color. So what we can do, we can change color in like yellow or something else. Let me just, or perhaps we can also work with the blue. So you can see the border. So we are not done yet. So what we need to do again to make a progress bar for our facecam video, I'm going to go to the transition option. I'm going to find the radial wipe. So let's select this one and apply to our shape. Let's zoom our timeline a little bit more and decrease the shape size. Let's zoom it, and you can see the shape here. So how you can see, let's see a preview. So you see it was very quick. So what we need to do, we need to fix it. Well, we want this across the border during the whole time. The progress bar will be running 8 minutes 41 seconds while I am talking, so it can sometimes hook my audience in my video lesson. So to do that, let's just select the transition and fix to the shape. Now if you scroll, you can see at the middle of the some point it is starting from two-way, but I don't want that. I want at the very beginning and just increase a single line with the whole rectangle shape during the whole time. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's first select the shape, make it to the last, and then let's also select the transition and make it to the last, and then select the face cam and the shape and press Ctrl G. Or what you can do, click on the right button and you can select here to group here. Now see, we do have a group. So from now you can see, if I run my footage, you can see there is something, or the blue bar has started. And if I traversal the whole timeline, you can see during the whole timeline the progress bar is raising. So that is how in this process you can create a progress bar which can hook your audience while they are watching your videos in an online course. So I don't make it this video much more longer. I will see you on the next video lesson with much more interesting and surprising things to make your video lesson interactive. Thank you so much for watching me today. See you in the next video.